going on, everybody? It's David Melendez with egressfromstress.com, and I'm going to show you the Navy way of folding a t-shirt and also the Marine Corps way of folding a t-shirt. Marines had it like this, and the reason why they want to put that nice and flat in a sea bag, and also their packs. And then the Navy had it have a specific fold so it can fit nice in a tiny locker, because you don't get a lot of space on a Navy ship. Does that make sense? All right, so I'm gonna do this because I think it's important that people know how to fold their clothes. And I also think it's important because, like, if you have like unfolded clothes in your drawers, it can increase your stress levels if everything is cluttered all over the place. So I encourage you to check out that Marie Kondo, man. She's awesome. But yeah, stay tuned. Watch. I'm gonna show you how to do this right now. So this is the Marine Corps way, right? Marine Corps way. And the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna do it looking at it, because I think it's challenging for me to do this upside down, but you guys are just gonna have to bear with me. So you turn this shirt upside down, right? You want to turn upside down. All right, you see the top of the collar. All right, so what you want to do is you want to take this line, right, where the sleeve meets the shirt, right, and you want to bring that over to the beginning of the collar, like that. Okay? All right. You want to make a straight edge all the way down. See that straight edge? Then you want to take the sleeve and you want to fold it in. All right? Make sure there's no edge going over. Make sure it's nice and neat. You're going to do the same thing here. Make sure this line is lined up with the top up here. All right. All right. Then you're gonna fold this in like that. All right. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take this shirt, you're gonna come up top with it, and then you're gonna go up again. All right. Now, of course, Marines that have been doing this for years, they do it a lot better than I have. I've been kind of out of practice, but that is one way. And when you stack these shirts, they're all supposed to be stacked up nice. And so this could fit in your pack, and you'll have, instead of it all being all bulky, you have less bulk, so you could fit more on top of one another. So now the Navy style is a little different. Instead of turning the shirt upside down, you're gonna have the shirt faced upwards, right? You're gonna take the bottom of the shirt, right? You're gonna bring it up to the collar, top of the collar. Make sure this is all nice and neat. You know, take the wrinkles out. We used to get inspected in the Navy how well we did this. Then you're gonna take the sleeve, and you see this line, you're gonna fold it over that line. All right, same thing with this side. You're gonna fold over the line. But bam! Then what you're gonna do, right, is you're gonna take the top part, you're gonna fold it in half. Boom! Make sure it's all nice and neat. Then you're gonna do it again, fold it in half. But bam! But bam! Then you're gonna fold this in half. All right? Fold it in half. So what you should see on this side, in the Navy, all these had to be aligned. All these. Now, in your drawers, they don't have to be like that, of course, but, you know, you want to make things neat, you can do it. You're just gonna unfold it one day and put it on, and then this, you're gonna make sure this is all perfect. And so the Navy, they would make sure everything was aligned, or you would fail your inspection, and you get yelled at, and you get everything thrown all over the place for a tornado. So that concludes my period of instruction. And so make sure you smash that like, smash that subscribe, and thank you for visiting me today. And make sure you check out my webpage, egressfromstress.com, where I'm going to be discussing like different outlets to help others manage their stress and give them tools to put in their toolbox. And I also want you to include some tools too, maybe something I didn't think about, but I look forward to just growing this webpage and this blog and having good content that can really motivate people and encourage people, challenge people, and inspire people. All right, everybody, take care. God bless.